Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So as you guys know already, I have a long list of mods coming for the 2016 W205 C300 project car. But I got to thinking, if I'm gonna get a grill, or if I'm gonna get a front splitter, or if I'm gonna get a diffuser, why not have you guys be a part of the selection process? So I went ahead and put up a poll on my YouTube community feed, and apparently about 70% of you guys really wanted input on what I should get. So in today's video, I want you guys to vote on what's gonna be the grill on the project car. So my wife and I have been looking at a lot of different grills, and there's 3 grills that we're very interested in for the project car. So option 1, we're thinking of going with the early W205 C63 grill, but in gloss black. I think that will look actually really clean and not too outrageous. Option 2 is the diamond grill, but in gloss black. And I think this grill was also found on the C43s, and my wife really likes this a lot because it reminds her of the diamond grill she had on her W204 C300. And the last option, option 3, is a gloss black version of the GTR Panamericana grill, which is found in the newer C63 cars. So that I think is going to look very aggressive. I'm not sure how it's going to flow with everything else that I do to the car. But yeah, of those 3 grills, which I think are really cool options, vote below on which one you think I should get for the project car. And in about a week, I'm going to total up all the votes, and whatever comes out on top, that's the grill that I'm going to buy, and that's the grill I'm going to make a video on. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you vote below, because next time we're going to be voting on a spoiler or a diffuser. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.